Hey everyone, so sorry for my absence for the last couple days. I've had a sore throat and I'm still fighting it right now. It doesn't feel great, but I'll give you a quick update here. I had some great calls with some DAV Alliance candidates, and I met with a DAV Alliance member that's local here today, and I hope to give you guys a lot more news next week when I'm feeling a bit better. All right, see you guys next week. Bye-bye.
Hi everyone. At the end of last week, I was really focused on managing the incoming email questions and a couple of agreements that popped up. Today, in addition to focusing on more of the same, I will be revisiting some of the Telegram analysis and research that I was doing last week. See you tomorrow.
Hi everybody. So on Thursday, I finished the refactoring task of separation of a service provider specific logic from our mission app, and today I'm going to be working on the new service provider that's called GRAD routing on the front end side of this. That's it. Bye.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So today, 2 advisors, 2 new videos. After final corrections and adjustment, we finally released Byron and Priyanka's videos. You can check them out right over here. After that, I edited the DailyDAV, and for the rest of the day, I finally gonna start writing my DAV Insider. That's it. See you next time.
Hey everybody, Joe Laparta here. Yesterday I worked on the KYC and then also spoke to a few different references as we continue to vet the referral program that we want to go ahead and use. And then today the main focus has been around the KYC affiliate program that we're setting up, making sure that that's all fully locked in, working with our graphic designer on some new designs which are going to be available to our affiliate partners, making sure that is good to go from a technical standpoint and sort of all of the above there. Thanks everybody. Have a great weekend.
Hey guys, last week I reviewed the new design for the Missions app that's going to be released very soon, and I worked on the new Blockchain Today page. Today I worked on a new page for the whitelisting process. It's going to be a beta page for a limited group of 250 people. So it's going to run until we reach this number starting from today. And it's going to be a good test case for us and will prepare us hopefully better for when we'll open it for everyone. This is it guys, thanks.
Hey DailyDAVers, today we're going to try to run a test for the KYC process. So I'm just finalizing some stuff we need for that, and hopefully it's going to go without any issues. So, see you tomorrow guys.
Hi guys. Today I'll start new page for our beautiful site Blockchain Today. I'll make it page in our style, XQ site simplicity and sensual minimalism. I'll plan on drawing for this page new illustration. Also I'll make a few new screens our new app. After then we will come up with an animation for her that will best show our app. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey there, Davers, Alec here. Today, the week has started. I'm having some computer issues. My email is having problems, so I'm working on that. Later tonight, me, Shachar, and Anatoly will go to a blockchain meetup here in the basement of our office. We'll see some people from the industry, and that's it. Have a great day. Bye.